Holy shit! I can't smell something. You smell that? Perfect. It's still gonna do the job.
My camera died, but we'll start it up again.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're taking it like a champ, bro. It's gonna get better. Alright, let's head home. I don't know what oil is. Okay. Oh, she's already idling better. Like you can totally hear the difference. Oh, you can already feel it. It sounds so much better. Oh, she's bogging. Oh, she doesn't like that. We should have gotten vanilla. We should have gotten vanilla, bro. Oh no. Oh, this might be the end. Oh, it's seizing. Stay running. Come on. Come on. We're so close. Come on. Oh, he's got this. Oh, she's picking up speed. Hell yeah. Oh, we're just going to keep going with the clock. I got to downshift real quick. Honey. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Pop start. All right, we got this. We got this. We got this. Oh, no. Come on. Okay. All right, we got this. We got this. Come on, Nissan. Oh. Oh. Yes, Nissan. See, if you really want a reliable truck, you really want something that'll run forever, don't think about Ford, Dodge, any of those guys. Nissan.
Nissan.
Way to go. Oh yeah. You guys like my truck? Yeah, they love it. They love it. Everybody just loves this thing wherever I go. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, no, not again. Ready, here's pop start.
It.
Got it. Oh, I think she seized, man. Well, not in the middle of the road. At least, I mean, it's our driveway, so like, we're gonna be...
We're so
okay.
close.
Oh, come on. Oh, fuck, I dropped the iPhone charger. Oh, come on. I gotta put my hazard lights on. Oh. Oh, man. Come on. Oh, I know she has it in it.
Yeah.
I know she's got it. Man.
Should have gotten vanilla.
All right, so yes, of course, I don't know how I messed that up, but okay. So what I'm thinking is push it in the driveway, and since the starter is probably dead, it's definitely not the engine. I'm really thinking it's either the starter solenoid, something like that. Maybe we should get the big truck and tow it with a tow strap and try and pop start it, because I think it just needs a little, you know, it just needs a little
pickup,
a little something more, and then the starter can offer. So we're just gonna drop a little bit of this in. Transmission fix. Oh man, that's not a good sound. I'm about to call Bryce. Hey, what's up, dude? So I got a little idea. So my truck, it just won't start. I don't know what happened, what's wrong with it, but can you tow it with yours, and I can see if I can pop start it?
Oh my goodness, where are you at?
We're at the bottom of the driveway. So I'll take that as a yes.
She started.
You gotta go slower.
This is a bad idea.
Now go slow. go home. Gotta bring it back. Did you get that?
He just asked for doing that with a stupid ass. Oh, shit.
I got that. Watch out, watch out. Alright, wait, we're gonna stop next to the spot, alright?
Fuck, nigga. My fucking ride, nigga. It's our motherfucking I told y'all this, nigga. My motherfucking ride, nigga. We do this shit. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. Hey, how we gonna stop this video?
Come on, boys.
Motherfucker, you this a fucking workout, nigga. It's a fucking workout, nigga.
Alright, so in conclusion, when your car is Rodknock, she's done. Nothing can fix it. Chocolate milkshake or vanilla milkshake, doesn't matter.
That bitch hot.
Yeah, she
Maybe a
is.
golf ball or an egg.
Yeah, definitely a golf ball. Let's see if it fits.
Fuck is y'all niggas done?
Yeah,
It's gonna blow up.
it doesnn't fit, so. Well, yeah, and
Try
nobody
some
get mad because we got this car for $400, and it was already gonna blow up anyway. It had 212,000 miles on it, and yeah, she was done. So, no hate, please. It's getting a little Chevy 350 carbureted V8, so she's gonna be a good project. And this motor was really tired anyway, so we really weren't damaging anything for
Yeah.
no reason. But
See those?
all right,
See the engine swap in future videos.
yeah, for sure.
Alrighty,
All right, man.
that's a wrap.
Nigga, fuck, nigga.
Hey, kids, say that's a
Somebody
wrap.
was completely
Come over here, say that's a
Say
wrap.
that's a rap, loud as fuck.
Huh?
Say that's a rap.
Both
That's
both
a rap, nigga.
No, no, loud as fuck. Scream it into the camera.
Like what you mean?
Like that's a rap. Scream it loud as
That's
fuck.
a rap.